Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. We were discussing in case of vertically projected body. In case of vertically projected body, equations of motion. So already we discussed some equations on that how they are going to ask the questions. So first, can you say what is the maximum height formula we discussed? H maximum is equal to u square by tg. Time of ascent u by g. So time of descent is also u by g. Total time 2u by g. So an object is projected vertically upwards with initial velocity u. So after total time, what is its velocity? They may ask. After total time, what is its velocity means? First of all, if it is projected with initial velocity u in upward direction, after total time, where is the object? After total time, object will be at same point. So where you have projected, again it is reaching same, but its direction is downwards. Whenever vertically projected, we projected upwards, but whenever it is returning, it is going to come downwards. It will come downwards, its direction is going to be changed after reaching maximum height. At maximum height, what is its velocity? Final velocity is going to become 0. So how much total time it is taking means 2u by j. Velocity after t time. Therefore, which formula we are going to use? V is equal to u plus at. So what is the final velocity means? U. U is the initial velocity. It is projected vertically upwards means a we will take minus g. After what time they are asking? After total time. That is nothing but u minus g into what is total time formula? 2u by g. Therefore, this g cancel. So u minus 2u. What we got finally? Minus u. See here. If you projected vertically upwards any object with 20 meter per second, then after total time or whenever it is returning to point of projection, this point B is called point of projection. After returning to initial point, again its velocity is going to be same, but its direction is going to be reversed. How we are saying direction is reversed means because of this negative sign. So this is nothing but if any object which is projected vertically upwards, whenever it is reaching same point, it is having same velocity but in which direction? Opposite direction. This is very important point. Next, after small t time, what is its velocity? V is equal to u minus gt. So after time of ascent time, what is its velocity? If t is equal to ta, what is time of ascent? U by g. So u by g means substitute in this. V is equal to u minus g into ta. U minus g into u by j. G will be cancelled. U minus u. Final velocity is 0. That one only we gave definition for you. So time taken to reach maximum height. So after time of ascent, its velocity is going to become 0. Next, Ta is going to be u by g. So here we have done one simple problem. An object is projected with initial velocity 20 meter per second upwards. Then how much time of ascent it is? Ta is equal to u by g. So 20 by 10. So 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, its velocity will be 0. After 4 seconds, its final velocity is going to be minus 20. Correct? Because after 4 seconds, again it is coming downwards and it is reaching same point of projection. Now, same question they are going to ask how much maximum height it is reaching. How much maximum height it is reaching means its maximum equal to u square by 2g. What is u value? 20 square by 2 into 10. So 20 square by 20. 120 will be cancelled. Then 20 meters. 20 meters is the maximum height it is reaching if it is projected with 20 meter per second velocity on the surface of the earth. So suddenly they will change this question on the moon. or otherwise on the other planet, then you should be very careful. So we habituated to take always this is going to be G, irrespective of question we will say, but you have to follow, you have to read the question carefully. They are giving on the planet or on the surface of the earth. So for all these G values we can take 10 on the surface of the earth. So whenever they are giving what is the maximum height it is reaching, if it is projected with 20 meter per second initial velocity on the moon, on the earth how much? 20 meters. On the moon, if you are going means maximum height on the moon is equal to, our formula will be same, but acceleration due to gravity you have to take on the moon how much. On the moon how much means 2 into G by 6. On the earth how much will be there in that? 1 by 6. Therefore, if 6 is going upward, 6 u square by 2g. Already u square by 2g how much you got? 20. Therefore, 6 into 20. So 120 meters. Where it is reaching maximum height means, in that maximum height where it is going to be maximum means 120 meters is highest than 20 meters. Therefore, on the moon it will reach more maximum height because acceleration due to gravity is little bit less on the moon. Understood? So, if they are giving on planet, definitely they will give this G value on that planet. So, they will give that information for you. According to that, you have to do. So, next see the next model. An object is projected on the planet. They are giving on the planet. An object is projected vertically upwards on the planet with 50 meter per second initial velocity on the planet. Please write all the questions whichever we are discussing. Definitely these are going to be helpful for you people during your examination, in which college or wherever you are going to write the examination. So on the planet, if it is projected with 50 meter per second, so time taken to reach maximum height, that is nothing but time of ascent is going to be 5 seconds. Time taken to reach maximum height is going to be 5 seconds, or you can take same like 10 seconds. Time taken to reach maximum height is 10 seconds. Then what is that maximum height, they will ask. So what is that maximum height? So generally whenever they are asking maximum height, we will follow this formula, u square by 2g. So 50 square by 2 into 10 they will do fastly. But here 10 you cannot take because they have given plan. If you got 10 means you can take after doing the problem. But here on the planet, whenever they are asking, first you should calculate this G. Even though you got 10 also, first you have to calculate. How to calculate G means, for calculating the G only, this information they get. So what is time of ascent formula? U by G. But this G on that planet, therefore U by GP. So whenever they give planet, you should get this idea. So G on that planet is U by TA. So 50 by 10. So 5 meter per second square. Now acceleration due to gravity how much? 5 meter per second square. Therefore, now maximum height on that planet is equal to U square by G on the planet. So 50 square by 2 into what is now GP? 5. So therefore, 50 into 50 by 25. So 100 meters. Understood? Like this they are going to ask. At the time you have to remember. Next, because H maximum is going to be U square by 2g. This g is acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth means we will take 10 directly. But whenever they are giving planet or other planets or moon like that, then you are going to change. How we are going to change means, H maximum is directly proportional to U square, H maximum is inversely proportional to G on the planet. Again, if you go for gravitation, the small g is related to so many things. G is equal to, all of us may come to know, gm by r square. This one we are going to get in gravitation. At the time, how maximum height is going to be changed also we will discuss. But presently we didn't discuss gravitation. Therefore, I am not doing this problem. So in upcoming, once after completing gravitation, definitely again we will come back and we are going to do this. Next, in case of this vertically projected body with initial velocity u or 20. So what is the height? What is the height it is reaching after half of the time of ascent? After half of the time of ascent means, so t is equal to Ta by 2. What is Ta? U by g by 2. So u by 2g. They are asking height. Therefore, which formula you are going to use? So S is equal to ut plus of at square. So h is equal to u t minus of gt square. So u, what is t now? U by 2g minus of g. Again, what is t? U by 2g whole square. So this is the question, isn't it? Like that height ratio they are going to ask after half, Ta by 2, Ta by 3, 1/3, like that they are going to ask. So try to do some problems on this. It is going to become very well for you people if you practice well. Next, see, an object is projected vertically upwards with initial velocity 50 meter per second on the surface of the earth. Now, what is the ratio of their velocities? What is the ratio of their velocities after 2 seconds and 3 seconds? After 2 seconds, what is its velocity? After 3 seconds, what is its velocity? So, otherwise, after 2 seconds and after 5 seconds, after 3 seconds, after 5 seconds, like that they are going to ask. So, first of all, what is the velocity after t time formula? So, v is equal to u plus at. So, vertically projected body means v is equal to u minus gt. So, what is the velocity at 2 seconds? At 2 seconds, 50 minus g value 10. What is t? How much time they gave? 2 seconds. So, 50 minus 20. 50 minus 20 means 30 meter per second. Now, what is the velocity at 3 seconds? So, V3 is equal. So, 50 minus 10 into 3. Therefore, 50 minus 30 means 20 meter per second. See, if it is going upwards, velocity is going to decrease. Now, what is the ratio? V1 by V2. What is the ratio we are going to get? V1 by V2 is equal to velocity at 2 seconds, velocity at 3 seconds, 30 by 20. So, 3 is to 2. Now, what is the velocity at 2 seconds? What is the velocity at 5 seconds? Whenever they are giving this type of problems, first you can calculate time of ascent. Time of ascent formula u by g, 50 by 10. So, 5 seconds. So, after time of ascent, what is its velocity? At 5 seconds, its velocity will be 0. Otherwise, you can do like this only, no problem. So, v is equal to u minus gt. After 2 seconds already we calculated. That is after 2 seconds 30 meter per second. Now after 5 seconds or at 5 seconds. So 50 minus 10 into 5. How much you got? 50 minus 50. Like this also you will get. Now velocity at 2 seconds by velocity at 5 seconds. Velocity at 2 seconds 30. 30 by 0. Anything by 0 is going to be infinite. Like this height ratio they may ask, isn't it? So once we are going to create the problems like this, we are going to get all the answers. Again, I am saying this g value on the surface of the earth, then only you can take in classroom 10 meter per second square. In exam, if they didn't give this value, you are going to use 9.8 meter per second square. So they will give in brackets g value 10, then only you have to use 10. Otherwise, you have to use 9.8 meter per second square. So like this you can practice. Still more problems we will do in our next class.